This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. Amazing condo that shows like a model home. Located in the heart of Virginia Beach and sought after Great Neck School District. First floor features attached garage with entry to laundry. 2 large bedrooms and full bath. Second floor features high ceilings, lots of counter space, laminate wood floors, fireplace and plenty of windows for natural light with front and back facing balcony. Third floor has a large master with walk-in closet, modern soaking tub, and separate shower. Enjoy your own private oasis with the peaceful water views from any of the 3 balconies. Close to Interstate, shopping, beaches, bases, and more. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the